Are you hungry? Are you hungry? I am hungry. Comma. I am not hungry. Are you very hungry? I am very hungry. Comma. What do you want to eat? I want to eat snacks. Will you eat with me? Yes, I will eat with you. No, I don't want to eat. Comma. Will you eat now? I will eat now. I will eat later. Comma. Where will you eat? I will eat at home. I will eat at a restaurant. Comma. What food do you like? I like chicken curry. Can you eat spicy food? Yes, I can eat spicy food. No, I can't eat spicy food. Have you eaten anything? Yes, I have eaten. Comma. No, I haven't eaten yet.